Hello friend, welcome to Basic Civil Knowledge. Today we will learn how to make 3D window in AutoCAD. At first, click on Dynamic Uses, click on Front, click on Rectangle command, draw the rectangle, press D enter for dimensioning, length is 4 feet, press enter, and width is 5 feet, press enter. Just left click and place this rectangle. Use offset command, shortcut key O enter, offset distance 3 inch, press enter and escape it. Use exclude command, select this rectangle and press enter and exclude it 4 inch, press enter. Then use press pull command, then click on and press pull it and escape it. Then select, right click, isolate, hide object. Then select this rectangle, press X, enter and explode this rectangle. Click on Dynamic Uses, click on top. Then repeat exclude command, then select and press enter, 3 inch, press enter and escape it. Repeat exclude command, then select and press enter and exclude it, 3 inch, press enter. Repeat this process. Then select and group it, right click, isolate, end object isolation. Then select, use move command, click on this corner and move it 2 inch, press enter. Then select, use copy command, click on this corner and escape it. Then click on Dynamic Uses, click on Front, then use rectangle command, draw the rectangle, press D enter for dimensioning, horizontally 1 feet, 9 inch, press enter and vertically 4 feet, 6 inch, press enter. Just left click and place this rectangle. Use offset command, shortcut key O enter, offset distance 2 inch, press enter and offset it and escape it. Then use exclude command, then select this rectangle and press enter and exclude it 1.8 inch, press enter. Then use press pull command, select and press pull it and escape it. Select, right click, isolate, hide object. Then select this rectangle and erase it. Right click, isolate, end object isolation. Repeat rectangle command, draw the rectangle midpoint to midpoint. Use region command, REG, press enter and select this rectangle and press enter and region it. Then select, click on copy command, click on this corner and click on this corner and escape it. Then select, click on copy command, then click on this corner and escape it. Then click on realistic to conceptual. Then select this window, click on move command and move it 0.2 inch, press enter. Select, click on move command, click on this corner and move it 0.2 inch, press enter. Then click on conceptual to realistic. Click on visualize tab, click on materials browser. Then click on glass. Just drag and drop. Then click on metal. Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Then select, just drag and drop. Select and just drag and drop. And escape it. Home. Then select and erase it. Then click on conceptual. Then select, click on copy, click on midpoint and place this window. And escape it. Select this window, click on 3D rotate command, click on this corner, click on blue axis, then click on and rotate it. Then select, click on copy command, click on midpoint and place this window. And escape it. Then block this window, shortcut key WB, press enter, select object, press enter, click on pick point, click on this corner, click on browser, click on desktop, 366, click on save, click on OK. Then insert the window, shortcut key I enter, click on browser, click on 366, click on open, click on OK. Just click on, then select this window, right click, isolate, hide object. Then go to property bar, shortcut key PR, press enter, then select this window, then go to Y axis 0.6, press enter and escape it, then close the property bar. Then select, click on copy command, then click on this midpoint, Click on this midpoint and escape it. Then select this window and erase it. Click on conceptual to realistic. So complete all the window. Please like my video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.